So, hello everybody, my name is Jay, welcome back to my Tech Vault. We've got our hands on a Ryzen 9 3900X, actually it's my friend's who's sitting over here, and we're going to be testing this in the lovely game of Fortnite. And as I am not anywhere close to a proficient expert at playing Fortnite, I have called in a professional. We're just going to call this a professional. He's actually really good. So he does a lot of gameplay clips, so I'll put a link in the description to check out his channel, but he does a lot of cool gameplay clips if you're interested. But for today's video, I've called in him to pretty much go through and show you guys what this processor is capable of and the special system that we built for it, actually for him to stream and do his video editing and stuff. That was a video that will be probably out by the time this video is released. But basically that's a whole build process. If you're interested in checking that out, I'll also be on the channel and in the description. But would you like to come into the video?
Yo, what's up?
This is why I had to call my brother's friends, because none of my friends play Fortnite. Anyway, let's get into some Fortnite gameplay. Okay, so welcome back. So as you guys saw, this processor looks pretty impressive in its Fortnite gameplay. And I've also got a bunch of idiots over here that have decided to join in the streaming the Fortnite.
Don't put that in. Stop. No, you're not putting that in.
Okay, I'm not. I'll edit that out.
That's definitely good.
So that has been the Ryzen 3900X. As I said, we saw some pretty impressive numbers, and we even saw more impressive numbers when we got into streaming, which is something that's gotten really popular. So I've got my friend over here who did a lot of these clips, so definitely consider, if you like his videos, or if you like his gameplay, definitely check out his videos. There'll be a link to that in the description. If you want to see this computer build itself, the whole process of it getting built, and these idiots doing some, not really idiots, my younger brother and his friend doing some cringy Fortnite dances, then you should definitely subscribe, because that's something that's very likely to happen again. And he uploads montages, so yeah. But this has been a pretty interesting PC, so definitely consider checking that one out. Thank you guys very much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.